Welcome back to this video. Do you actually know that you can start a group calling in Google Meet without any stress? So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. After having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on the Google Apps right here and make sure you go to Meet. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to course. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create group link. Then it's going to take you right here. Now you have a link by default right here, which you can simply click on this icon right here to copy the link, or better still, send them mail. Right, by clicking on this icon right here, you can easily send mail to anybody that have this access to link. They will join you in the group call. Then you are calling with your number by default. Your number is going to be shown. Then right here, you can click on add people right here also. When you click on add people, this brings out all the contacts you have on your contact section in your Google account. So you can select as many as possible contacts to join you in your group call. Then once you select them, then you can simply add them to the group call just like so. So having had them into the call list, they are going to be found right here. Then you can also come to the top right here, click on this option. Then you can rename the group right here. So give a new name to your group. For 2025, then hit on save. That is the group name, just like so. Then come back right here. You can reset group link right here. If you are not comfortable with the link right here, or you want some people that have joined the group link, or you want to limit the number of people that have been joined the group link, you can come use reset group link right here. So once you reset the group link, anybody that have access to this link, by the time they click on the link, it's going to be disconnected. It's as simple as that. Once you have set up everything, next thing you need to do is simply click on start call. Once you click on start call, everyone that have access to this link, or everyone that you had their number right here, they are going to receive your call, and they will easily join your call by video call or voice call. It depends on their privacy. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.